Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring you have the right permissions, op or the correct WorldEdit node, because without that nothing will work. Once done, equip the selection tool, usually the wooden axe. This is the tool WorldEdit listens for. You then set the first corner with a left click and the opposite corner with a right click so WorldEdit knows the volume. Make sure both points are in the same world and visible, otherwise your selection may be incomplete or on a different map. Now refine the area and choose an operation. For non-destructive testing, use //outline or temporarily //set 0 to preview boundaries, because visual checks prevent mistakes. When you need to fine-tune, use //expand, //contract, or //shift to nudge the selection in any direction. This gives pixel-perfect control over edges. If you plan repetition or backup, use //copy, then //scheme save name to store the structure. That way you can paste reliably and roll back if you change your mind. Finally, execute the operation while mindful of server performance. Schedule big //set or //replace during low traffic and keep an eye on chat for progress. After a successful change, save your work in schematics so you can restore or reuse it later, and clear the clipboard with //clear clipboard to avoid accidental pastes. Troubleshooting tip: if a command fails or causes lag, immediately run //undo. Check Multicraft logs for errors, and verify your permission nodes to ensure WorldEdit commands are authorized.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.